Shane, what are we doing today?
Join Japantown.
And why is that?
Because I'm a weeb. Oh my god. I feel like that's the only reasoning I go to Japantown.
Why are we going to Japantown, James?
After I chew my taffy, we're going to Japantown to celebrate yours truly's birthday. As I have drool coming out of my mouth from taffy. Thank you. 30 to 22, March. I have artists on there like Eminem.
Is it fire?
Sakurai, of course. It's Inferno. Sakurai, we're gonna play Smash Bros on there. Captain Falcon is gonna be there.
Wow. Some good names there.
Yeah.
I'm also on there.
Yeah, Haley's on there. Lil Haley.
And then I'm on there, I'm Lil Young.
Lil Young is on there.
That's unironically a great rap name, actually. Lil Young is the greatest rap name.
We also have like big names like little sperm still inside the testicles. The scrotum, actually, to be more whatever. We have little scrotum as well. We have little small. We have big junior. Yep. And we have senior citizen. So be on the lookout for that. 3022. I'll be alive. If you're still there, you should get the album. But
How's your day going today, Haley?
That's good. I ate pizza.
Hell yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Hell yeah.
Vegan pizza? Yeah. Vegan pizza. And it tasted like a croissant.
Hell yeah. And you're joining us. You're joining us in Japantown, correct?
Indeed.
Awesome. What are you most excited to do in Japantown?
Things and stuff. Because I'm Lil Yurt.
What did we do today?
We got books, we got pencils, we got sodas, and we got onigiri.
I showed my dick in his ass.
Oh, did you? That's gay, Alex.
Hey, Alex. Hey, Alex.
Now he said no homo afterwards, so it's cool.
Oh, word? Oh, okay.
So we're safe.
Oh my god. Hey, Jack, tell my audience about your haircut, because last time that they saw you, your hair was longer.
My hair was really long, and I didn't want to get longer, so I cut it really short, so hopefully by the end of next year, it's the same length again. So it's a build-up. It's like a cycle. Like the Mayan calendar, but the world isn't it.
Hey, James, how are you liking Japantown?
this place really sucks. I thought it would be like a tube to Japan. I was disappointed. Yeah.
Hey, Shane,
I want to do.
describe your look today.
No, it's not really a one to describe. I got like a professor-esque Western look going today. Don't look at me. I haven't planned my outfit that well today.
Haley, where are we going?
We're going to the store.
We're going to the store? Why are you excited about the store, Haley?
The store.
You are overwhelmingly loud.
I'm so sorry. I'm just really excited today. It's been a good day.
Y'all are overwhelmingly loud.
No, but
Oh,
it's-
are
I
we?
noticed-
Oh, are we?
I'm noticeably more excited than I've ever been
I don't think we're going the right way.
in a while. Probably because of the book, to be honest. Like that made my
Hello?
I have bottles from
day. Haley, do you know where we're going?
Yeah, you can use the plant teacher?
I have like 7 of them.
I don't know where we are.
Oh my gosh.
Man, I never would have seen.
Hey kids, what did we do in Japantown?
Everything and
Shopping.
Shopping.
We got books. We got pet. We looked at like clothes and stuff. So that was fun.
And we're walking across the street. Thank you, Joe. Did we all have a good time? Absolutely.